Hey, it's midnightraven, and today we're going to do an unboxing. I've already done this unboxing this month, but I found a loophole of being able to get two. Stay tuned. So first of all, just wanted to show you my new glasses. Everyone is wondering, and they are, yes, they are new. I've had them about a week. As you can see, they're kind of purpley, blue. They're not the dull black ones anymore. They are lighter. I'm just getting used to them, so bear with me. So this month I have already done a Feel Unique pick and mix, and it was all women's perfume. And I wondered to myself that if I had a second email address that I could use, whether I could order another one and get all men's like perfume aftershave kind of thing. And yes, you can. So as long as you have a different email address, you can order as many of these, I believe, as you like. So I used my partner's email address and managed to get his one. And then for the female one, I used mine. Although I could have got more women's items, I thought that as it was of a man's email address, to make sure that I could get it and get the stuff, because it would seem weird maybe him getting women's stuff, I got men's perfume aftershave samples. So, very unique. If you don't know what it is, it's a sample service. Each month you pay $3.95. If you wish, you don't have to subscribe every month. It's more of an option in service. You decide you want it, you pick 5 items, and then they deliver them to you. It does cost $3.95 for the postage and packaging, but you do get that back in an email which you can then spend on their store. You cannot purchase any more pick and mix, but you can use it on other products within the store. So the samples are technically free, but they're then only technically free if you then use the $3.95 on their website. And not a lot of stuff on their website is $3.95, so in fact you probably end up spending more. But I love this sample service. It's called Feel Unique. Now they have about 150, 200 samples you can choose from. Everything from makeup, skincare, perfume, a whole range of items. I will link them down below so you can find them. So this month, this has come in a box. The one I got the other day came in a mailing envelope. So we will see. This is how it would normally come. So it would normally come in a box like this, not in a mailing envelope. I don't know why mine did. It just did. Then inside, you find that you have all their social media. So you've got Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. They do have all of that, and I will try and link their website at least down below, and maybe their Twitter, and we will see what else I can link. Then inside you will find the 5 samples that I have picked, which we will show you in a sec. Put them to one side. Then you'll have some leaflets. So you do get this, it's called the Just For You, and this is usually leaflets. They're probably the same as the last video, but if you haven't seen the last video, I will just show you. They do like some promotions. This is Bloom Wild, and you get £10 off your first order when you spend so much, I believe. And then there's the back, so you can pause that and look. And then this one was Grey's for a free box on your 1st and 5th delivery. And there's some codes there, so if you want to check that out. They do this every month. They probably waste more paper than they gain, but you know, it's entirely up to them. So you then get this little bit of paper that says that you've ordered your Feel Unique Pick and Mix 5. It then says, don't forget to claim your dispatch email to find out how you can claim back the shipping on your next haul. If you adore any of these products, link them by hashtagging Fun Squad and share them on Twitter and with the hashtag PickMe. So you check your dispatch email to say that it's been dispatched, and it gives you the $3.95 back to spend on their store. Then we have the little legend which tells me everything I ordered, and then we're going to get right into testing them. So let's see which one we have first. So we'll go by the little legend, which is the order I picked them. So the first one was the Alien Man Mugler Eau de Toilette. So like I said, I got the women's ones the other day, so I thought I would get the men's ones today, and then I'd have some of each. So this is Alien. I've never bought my man anything like this before. This is the Alien Mugler 1.2 pick and mix. So it looks like this. This is what the actual bottle looks like, and it's just so cool. It's vibrant singularment of aromatic freshness, mystery wood, and sensory leather tones. Ooh. Cool. So, I may not be a man, but we will spray it and we will see what it smells like. I do like the little black one. That's black. Now, I've never smelled anything from Alien Mugler before, so we will give that a minute to disperse. So, obviously the sample sizes are small like this. Sometimes they're in a black bottle, sometimes they're clear. It all depends, but I'm liking that. That's really nice. It smells so good. It's got that kind of kick. Obviously, it's got the wood and the leather smell, but that's really nice. I highly recommend that one. So that's the first one. Second one is a Ralph Lauren Polo. So this is the Ralph Lauren Polo Ultra Blue. Now, polos do loads of colours. You've got blue, white, and red. These boxes just snap open. So obviously this is the Polo. This again is a 1.2 ml sample, and again inside it looks like this. So this is the actual bottle, and it's actually blue. Then there's a white one and there's a red one. This doesn't actually tell me a lot about it, the fragrance wise. It just says natural spray / vaporizer, so we will have to spray and see what we get. So I'm guessing with it being blue, it'll be like I'm guessing an aqua or a clear smell or fresh smell. And let that disperse a minute. So, never had Ralph Lauren before. I don't buy my partner perfumes or aftershaves or eau de toilette when we work very often, but I am liking that Alien one. So this one, it's very, very light, so you could probably get away with this at work, in the workplace. It's a very light, it's like a clear water smell, so it's got not a lot of smell to it, but I do like subtle aromas. As I've said with the women one, some of the women's perfumes can be so garish, and I like floral, kind of fruity undertones, and this is like a clear water smell, so that's not too bad. So we'll put that there. Okay, number 3 is the Paco Rabanne. This is the Paco Rabanne Pure XS. Ooh. And it looks kind of cool. And then inside, this is the actual bottle. So if you look for the actual bottle, it looks like this. I like how the men's perfume, eau de toilettes are kind of like dark and mysterious all the time. So this again, this is 1.5 ml, slightly bigger. This has overflows of ginger. The temperature rises, caramel, vanilla, and myrrh release. Skin overheating, an untamed oriental on fire and fresh deodorant. Decadent and raw. Wow, a lot in it. See, that can be good or bad. The thing is, some eau de toilettes can have too many things. They try and combine so many different tones in, and then they just make a muddle. So this is ginger, vanilla, You can smell ginger. It's got that like Christmas smell to it. If you want to call it Christmas, like gingerbread or ginger cookies or something. It's alright. I wouldn't say it's my favourite. Again, this is a clear bottle. It's it's got a kick to it, so it does smell alright, but it's not my favourite. But it is good. So another good one. So we have Coach for Men. This is Coach for Men New York Platinum. This is a 2 ml bottle, so this is slightly bigger, and this is the actual bottle, and that is just so cute. Look at that. And it has the little Coach on it as well, which is so cool. This says, Coach Platinum takes you on a road trip across America that ends in New York. Dynamic yet warm with notes of sage, sandalwood. It's bold and daring, and a magnetic man. Ooh. So we have sage and sandalwood. Now I've had sandalwood before because I had a woman's one the other day that had hints of sandalwood in, and I wasn't overly impressed. But sage, I guess they're going for maybe a natural kind of foresty, fresh smell. So that's not bad. It's not overly powerful. You really have to kind of smell it. So this is probably the lighter out of the 4 so far. But like I said, they don't have to be in your face. The idea of a parfum is it's meant to be like subtle undertones. If you want to go like really badly over the top, then go for a really heavy perfume or a really in your face deodorant. But that's kind of nice. It's a really light, subtle smell, but you definitely can smell it. But it kind of smells like being in a wood. You got that kind of natural smell to it, so it's not overbearing. And then the last one I got is the Paco Rabanne, and this is that was 1.5 mils. The other Paco Rabanne. This is the Invictus one. Yeah, this is 1.5 as well. This is Invictus, and this is Aqua Paco Rabanne Invictus. And this looks like the card. I've always liked the wing design, and then inside, this is what the bottle looks like. It's like a mini trophy. And it says, Deep Fresh Woods, Ice-like Marine Powder Intense Amber. So we've got Fresh Woods, Ice, Marine, and Amber. So, we shall see. It's a very ingenious. I'll put it on my hand this time, because I've run out of arms. So, like I said, again, never had any of the Invictus or Paco Rabanne. Like I said, my partner doesn't really wear stuff like this, but as I did the women's one, I thought I only right to try the men's one. There is a lot of men's products on there. There's not a huge amount, but they do these. They do some skincare for men. So next month I'm going to change it up and maybe get some skincare for men and do skincare for women as well and compare the two. Like I have done this month with the fragrances. That's kind of nice. So what are we looking for? Fresh wood. You can definitely smell the woody smell, and you can smell an amber. It's got that kind of spice kick to it. So it's not bad. It's not my favourite, but there we go. So, all in all, if I was to say which I liked better, I liked the Alien Mugler the best. That smell was just to die for. I think the Coach would come next as my second favourite. Then the Polo. And then, unfortunately, the two Paco Rabannes, they're just not my cup of tea. Obviously, I'm not going to be wearing them. Obviously, my partner would be wearing them. But yeah, I think the Alien Mugler first, then the Coach, the polo, and then the two pucker buns. They're just not my cup of tea. I like the light undertones, not only on myself, but also on my partner. I can't bear the whole, you know, sprayed so much on you that you can smell it like across the room. I like a light aroma, just sort of, you know, enough to smell. So these are the five. We've got the Alien Muga, the Coach Platinum, we have the Polo in Ultra Blue, we had the Paca Rabanne Pure Excess, and the Paca Rabanne Aqua Invictus. So you got the 5 samples for $3.95. Then, like I said, you get them credited to you on an email, which you get when it's dispatched. I have done this for the women, so what I will do is at the end of this video I will link the women's half where I did 5 women's perfumes. Like I said, you can follow me on Twitter if you want to see some pictures of these. I'm going to take some pictures and stick them on my Twitter, so if you want to find these perfumes for yourself, you can do. I keep calling them perfumes because of the women's box. They're not perfumes, they're eau de parfums. Or aftershaves, whatever we call them. So, if you want to check out Feel Unique for yourself, you can check them out on all their social media. This isn't sponsored. I actually bought both these boxes this month myself, and have always bought Feel Unique for many, many moons. But if you want to check out them, like I said, you do get a little cheat sheet. So if there are any problems, customer service is pretty good. I had a parcel before that turned up that was broken, and they just sent me a whole new one. So customer service for them is pretty good. If you want to like and subscribe to me, give me a big thumbs up. If you want to check out these for yourself, I will link these on Twitter so you can find these. If you then want to go out and buy them yourself, or you want to go to Feel Unique and test them for yourself. Like I said, there's a women's one. I will link that as well. And I'll hopefully see you very soon for another one. And stay tuned for next month. I will do men and women's again for Feel Unique. So take care and thanks for watching. Bye.